Okay, it's a beautiful day today, so I want to help the grade 9s as they will be writing their mathematics paper 2 on Monday. The first thing I want us to look at today is mensuration. How do I calculate the total surface area of a cylinder? How do I calculate the total surface area of a cylinder? This was a 2023 paper GCE. It came in this format. So, now looking at this question here, they're saying the following diagram is a cylinder with radius 7 cm and height of 5 cm. Take pi as 22/7. So calculate the total surface area. So one thing you should understand is that when you're given a question like this, the total surface area is found as follows. So if let me just roughly sketch it here so that I make it easy for someone to understand. So we are simply saying this is our radius, which is 7 cm, and this is our height, which is 5 cm according to the question, and we are told that we should find the total surface area. Now, total surface area of a cylinder is simply found by this formula. Please pay attention to pi r open brackets radius plus h. So this is the radius, which is 7, and the pi, which you have been given to be 22/7, and the height, h is the height. So all you need to do is to replace and multiply. So we're going to say 2 times 22/7 times 7 open bracket 7 plus 5, which is our height. Hence, therefore, we're going to say 2 times 22, which is 44. This 7 into 7, we can say it goes how many times? 1 time. Hence, we are going to say 7 times plus 5, which is 12. So 44 times 12, which gives us, this will give us 528 centimeters squared. So this is how you find the total surface area of a cylinder. Always remember, if it's the total surface area of a cylinder, this is the formula you need to remember and use. Once you use this formula, you get your answer correctly and easy. Hence, this is 3 marks. Okay, so now we have seen how mensuration is done when finding the total surface area. So now let's look at a different question now. This is a different question, finding the total surface area as well. So they're simply saying that the following diagram is a cylinder with radius 14 cm and height 15 cm. Take pi 22/7. So they are asking us to calculate its total surface area. So total surface area, as we learned earlier, that it is actually found by 2 pi r open brackets r plus h. So that is a formula. So if you master this formula, then you expect to find this in your exam and get it right. So now let's see how we can answer this question. So the cylinder that we have been given in this question, which was a Central Province MOOC 2024, it was, we have a cylinder like this one. Let me just sketch it here so that you can see the sketch as well. Don't laugh at my sketch, it's just a sketch after all. So we have, this is 14 centimeter and the height is 15 centimeter. So this height is 15 centimeter. They want us to calculate the total surface area. So to find the total surface area, as we know the formula, which is 2 pi r open brackets r plus h. So we just have to replace the necessary values. So 2 multiplied by pi, we know is 22/7. 22/7 times radius is 14 centimeter, open brackets 14 plus height, which is 15. So now we are going to say 22 times 22, we are getting 44/7 times 14 plus 15, which is 29. So we have 29 there. And now we are going to say, can 7 go into 14? Yes. 7 into 14, we have 2 times 44 times 2 times 29, we have 58. Okay, 2 times this is 8, 2 times 4, we have 558. So when we multiply 44 times 58, we are going to get 2,552 centimeters squared. So this becomes your final answer when you're finding the total surface area again on this situation. So hopefully now you have a full idea and the concept on finding the total surface area of a cylinder. So now let's look on how to find the volume of a cylinder. Thank you for watching. Now look out for the next one, which we will be looking at finding the volume of a cylinder.